Think you know your iPhone? Most people use the same handful of features every day, but your iPhone is packed with hidden tricks that Apple never really points out. Today, I'm going to show you 5 hidden iPhone features that are actually useful, and chances are you don't know all of them. Welcome back to the Fix Desk. Let's fix it. Everyone knows that you can adjust the volume by pressing the buttons on the side of your iPhone. But did you know there's a much easier way to get the volume exactly where you want it? Tap either the volume up or down button and then the volume slider when it appears on the screen. Instead of pressing repeatedly on the buttons, simply touch and drag the slider with your finger for much more precise control. It's perfect when you're listening to music, watching videos, or just wanting the volume exactly where you want it. The second feature is perfect for you travelers out there. Did you know instead of searching Google or downloading another app, you can simply open your calculator app, tap on the calculator icon at the top, and select Convert. Then you can tap here and select what you'd like to convert, but we're going to choose currency. So now you can type in whatever amount that you're wondering and get your answer. Whether you're traveling or just curious how much something costs in US dollars, it's built right into your iOS. Third, we're talking the degree symbol. With how hot it's been lately, you probably text someone that it's 100 degrees outside. So instead of searching through the keyboard looking for that symbol, what you can do is simply press and hold the 0, and then the degree symbol pops up. Slide your finger up and let go. It's a tiny shortcut, but once you know it, you'll probably never type it out again. Here's another shortcut that most people completely miss. Instead of tapping the period key 3 separate times to type an ellipsis, just press and hold the period key. When you do, it gives you the ellipsis icon immediately. So you can just press and hold, drag up to it, and select it, and send it that way. It's a small feature, but it's one of those little details that makes typing feel more polished. If you do a lot of texting, the last one, it becomes second nature very quickly. Instead of switching to your punctuation keyboard every time you finish a sentence, all you have to do is double tap your space bar. Your iPhone automatically inserts a period followed by a space. So you're already ready to start typing your next sentence. Now, it only saves a second each time, but if you're constantly messaging people, those seconds add up. So let me know down in the comments below how many of these you actually knew already. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the Fix Desk. I'm always sharing Apple tips, tricks, and hidden features to help you get more out of your Apple devices. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.